Tracking first response time and resolution time is crucial for measuring the efficiency of your customer support team. It helps you understand how quickly your team is responding and resolving issues, which can greatly impact customer satisfaction. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track both step by step and why it's important to keep a close eye on them. First, let's define these two terms. First response time, FRT, is the amount of time it takes for your team to respond to a customer's inquiry. Resolution time, on the other hand, is the total time it takes to resolve that issue completely. The best way to track these metrics is by using a support platform with built-in reporting tools. Most of the popular support software options allow you to automatically monitor FRT and resolution time. To start tracking first response time, you'll want to use the software's dashboard to find the time to first response metric. This is typically displayed on your support analytics or ticket management page. Look for tickets that are pending and identify how long it takes from when the customer submits their request until your team sends the first reply. You can set a target for your team, like aiming for a first response within 1-2 hours. For resolution time, it's very similar. Look for the time to resolution metric. This will tell you the total time it took to close the ticket from the first customer inquiry until the issue is marked as resolved. Ideally, this should be as short as possible, but it's important to set realistic expectations for your team based on the complexity of the issues you're solving. Now, why should you care about tracking these two metrics? Simple. They affect customer satisfaction and retention. If you're responding quickly, but not solving the issues fast enough, customers will still be unhappy. If you're not responding quickly enough, it could lead to frustration and lost business. You want to find the balance that works for your team. Some software, like the one we'll be using today, allows you to set automatic notifications when these targets are missed. This way, your team can take immediate action to improve. Tracking these metrics over time also gives you a better understanding of your team's overall performance and helps you make data-driven decisions to improve efficiency. If you're looking for an easy way to track first response time and resolution time, I've got a special offer for you. I've tried several popular customer service software platforms, and the one I recommend for this job offers an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. You'll find the link to that free trial in the description below, so make sure to grab it and follow along. Before we wrap up, the key takeaway here is simple. Tracking first response time and resolution time is key to understanding how well your support team is performing. By monitoring these two metrics, you can pinpoint areas for improvement and make adjustments to boost both response and resolution efficiency. Let's quickly go over the main points. First, define the two metrics, FRT and resolution time. Second, use your support software to track them, set targets, and keep an eye on performance. Finally, remember that improving these metrics directly leads to better customer satisfaction. Again, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.